Hey everybody, I went out and bought a new bumper for my Jeep. And the thing is I wanted to make it look a little meaner, you know, a little tougher, you know, whatever. But the bumper was a used bumper, and then they sold it to me on consignment, but it was missing some very important pieces. And I couldn't install the bumper unless I had those particular brackets, and the company that manufactures that bumper don't sell the brackets separate. So I had to actually build brackets so that I can get this bumper attached to the Jeep. Well, what I've done was, and I went out and I built a CAD file for a plasma cutter, and to test out the brackets, I created that file and had it lasered out of wood so that I could see if those brackets will fit. And since those brackets fit, I went ahead and told my plasma guy, go ahead and cut them out. So he cut them out of some 3/16 stainless steel for me, and I gotta tell you, the quality is amazing. And got them buried underneath my helper's reward here. And I gotta say, these brackets are no joke. So I was gonna try to manufacture them myself by hand, and I got to thinking, I said, you know, I know a guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on over there and go ahead and get these brackets installed, and we'll see how this looks. All right. So I'm gonna remove the old wooden brackets that I built. But there it is, all installed. And I gotta say, with all the efforts everybody put into getting this thing on the Jeep, it turned out absolutely incredible. I love it. It's durable, it's solid. This thing is not moving. And I gotta say, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, the next step is get some lights on this thing, and we'll see how that looks. Alright guys. Alright, the next step is to go ahead and get these lights on. I'm probably not going to hook up the lights tonight, but I'll probably do it tomorrow afternoon when I still have some daylight. But these are really cool lights. I figured I got a lot of red on the Jeep, I might as well get something that kind of goes with everything else. Since I'm mounting the lights underneath the bar here, I had to fabricate these blocks to go up in here so that I can give myself enough space to where they can sit inside there. because I didn't really want them directly on top. I mean, that's cool and everything, there's nothing wrong with that, but I kind of wanted them right here, so that was the only logical step. Let's go ahead and knock that out. I got some stainless bolts for everything. Haha, cool. Well, you know what? Got them all wired up real nice. They're super bright, and they got a lot of really good reviews. I'm not gonna name what kind of brand it is because it doesn't really matter. But the next step, I'm gonna go out to one of my favorite back roads and line them up so that I can maximize the amount of light that I'm getting side to side and front. So, all right, let's go check that out. Okay, like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and get these adjusted so I can maximize the amount of light spread that I'm getting out on the roads. The reason I got these lights is so that I can see snakes and other wildlife while I'm out on these back roads like this. Don't run these lights while you're on the main highways and things like that, because you actually blind other drivers. There's a lot of guys out here that'll put a big bright light bar on their truck and they'll just either forget to shut it off when they're riding out there, or they just don't care. I don't know, but it blinds other drivers, and it's very it's rude. It's for lack of better description, it shows a lack of courtesy, you know, towards the other drivers. So shut them off when you're on the main road. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these babies and see if we can maximize our, you know, our visibility. Cool, I'm happy with that. Let's take this thing for a ride. Yeah, lights are really nice. I can see. This is really cool. So, I'm gonna go ahead and drive around and see if I can spot any wildlife, but thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.